Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review just to show you this craft foam that I got on Amazon. I am building my little Christmas village. As you can see, that one is not done yet. And I've been researching, trying to get some good quality foam, but also affordable, and I came across this brand. I absolutely love this foam. It's very nice and smooth. As you can see, I built this little mountain, Santa mountain, using this foam right here. I just glued them together with hot glue, and you can see very smooth. I'm not a professional, and it still looks really good. So if you are a professional, I don't know, or maybe you do this more often as a hobby, I think these are gonna be perfect. Love the quality, and especially for the price that you're paying. You know, I did a little bit of research. I went to Hobby Lobby, Walmart, and everything seemed to be a little bit pricey. So yeah, for what you're paying, these are great.